Luscombe Suzuki are pleased to offer for sale this great example of the Honda Civic V-tec S. This vehicle's finished in pearl blue, it's in lovely condition, and of course Honda is renowned for the reliability and quality of its vehicles. Really low mileage as well, just under 25,000 miles. 5-door model. 5-star NCAP safety rated. Again, Honda's renowned for the safety. No compromise on this vehicle. Let's have a look at the boot. It's got a great size boot. You can see there. Rear seats also fold flat, so you can have a really large storage area if required. And you've got extra storage underneath, as we can see there. Now, this particular vehicle was recently part exchanged here, just the one owner from new. It's got full service history, so it's been very well maintained. You can tell the previous owners really cared for this vehicle. Let's take a look inside next as we move round. So, like the exterior, the interior is in lovely condition. We can see there. And you get all the comfort that Honda offers. So you've got integrated controls in the steering wheel. You've got electric adjustable wing mirrors. Central armrest as well with storage point. And in there you'll find USB charging point for your mobile device. In-car entertainment, you can see there. Again, auxiliary point so you can play your own music. Underneath that, climate control, so you can keep the cabin at optimum temperature. Radio CD player also. Rear of the vehicle, again, in excellent condition. And as you can see, brilliant legroom for rear passengers. Plenty of handy storage points as well. So there we have it, the Honda Civic. Vehicle's in excellent condition, 2014. Just under 25,000 miles from new. And of course, before leaving, it will come fully prepared with a service and MOT for its new owner.